everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome, Ryan. Do you speak?
I clean, and I win at cleaning.
So, here's the deal. I'm a little under the weather, and I couldn't really film this whole cleaning video by myself. So I decided we're gonna turn this into a battle royale.
It's on.
I'm gonna clean some of the house, Ryan's gonna clean some of the house, and you at home can leave comments down below who did it better, who is the winner. I don't quite know that I've ever seen you really clean, so this should be very interesting.
Whoa!
There is pride at stake. What else is at stake?
It's for keeps, okay? It's a
You're
big
being
deal.
a little aggressive with this pointer.
Well, don't give me a kitchen cleaning weapon.
That's not for the kitchen.
Round one, fight!
Alright, so I changed and came upstairs. I left Ryan downstairs to his own devices, but we're gonna start here and look. I'm not gonna say I'm cheating, some may call it strategy, but these rooms are not nearly as messy or difficult to clean as what Ryan has going on downstairs. So, sorry not sorry. All right, let's get to folding. Although the only one who's gonna be folding here today is Ryan. Now, my only worry in this battle is the fact that I know Ryan is going to be a little bit more entertaining, possibly more charming, so he may elicit some votes. So what could I do to counteract that? What tricks do I have? I could share useful tips. Oh my gosh, look at Carter's little baby underwear. Okay, hold on, we need to just take a moment. Ryan is down there cleaning. I hear banging and crashing. So what is he doing? Factor that makes this slightly unfair is I did all the laundry, including the sheets, yesterday, so I don't even need to do the sheets or the bedding. I just have to make the bed. You know, don't hate the player, hate the game. We're going to do a special finishing touch. I have this DIY lavender linen spray. See these extra touches? Don't forget about these when you're picking your winner. If you want to know what's going on here, a little sneak preview to a future video, I am attempting to try as many natural deodorants as I possibly can and rank them and pick definitively the best one. And I will say, out of all of these here, there's only like 2 that I like. So stay tuned for that video. Let me know your favorite natural deodorant down below so I can make sure I'm testing it. Don't forget to clean your mouse. That thing gets nasty. Also, your phone. Clean your phone every day. Your cell phone has more bacteria on it than a toilet seat. Think about that. You guys can just stop what you're doing now. Vote for me. Look, I'm cleaning while sick. Does that sound fun? No.
All right, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna tackle this kitchen. I'm gonna get it done. Okay, we've got washcloths, that's good. I've got spray, I've got cleaner. What is this?
That's your outfit, wardrobe.
Wardrobe?
Yeah, we gotta, you know, get a little eye candy.
All right, trucks. Over here, very familiar territory to myself. We're gonna clean off some countertops. Let's get this bad boy nice and sprayed down here. Let's move this awkward owl. This happens to be my specialty. I I'm a child from the 80s. I watched a lot of Karate Kid. I learned how to wax on and wax off. Wax on, wax off. I'm just fighting grime and dirt. Hey, get back. Injury. I basically annihilated, I defeated, I destroyed, I conquered the island. Injury. The island is now mine. You can lay these here. Gently. 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 I'm just getting started. I'm just getting warmed up. Well, she left me alone. Here's where normally I'd give you guys all the secrets, the inside scoop, all the tea. But unfortunately, Brittany edits all of her own videos, so even if I told you anything, she would just edit it out anyway. All right, kitchen, you have been conquered.
What about like the fridge handles?
Yay!
Fight!
Now take note, I'm wiping things down as I put them back. I don't know, is Ryan doing this? Methinks not. Can we just compare my mom's makeup collection to my makeup collection? Yeah, the apple could not fall farther from the tree. All right, check out this new bathtub toy organizer I got. It stretches across the tub, and you can put all the toys in here so he can see everything he has. I guess not. Wow, what a fail. Okay, wait, didn't break. I think we just need to put it farther back. Now, here is something I have definitely never seen Ryan do. Clean a toilet. $10 that he will conveniently forget to clean the bathroom downstairs. Little tip, leave your toilet brush hanging on the side of the lid here to dry off for a couple hours before you put it away. Got that tip from Clean My Space. Love her. How are you feeling?
Well, I've been awake since 4, and I just went. I need a dust buster.
You mean a vacuum?
No, a dust buster. Shake your mouth. Loop-de-loo, once over, twice over. Pop that bad boy right there. All right. Okay. This room's wrapped. On to the next. What else you got? Just keep them coming. I'm just like, you know, just bring it on. What else you got?
Fight!
Look at this, guys. Brittany and her Amazon. If you even knew the struggles I have. Now these are small packages. I don't mind these as much. But we got boxes coming in here on a daily basis. They may or may not be for videos, but you know what? I'm slicing and dicing. I'm a professional box breaker downer. Okay, I think I have finished down here. Perhaps you would not call it a deep clean, but I did a very good job, I feel. I think I'm in it to win it. I think I got a good chance here. Where I lacked in attention to detail, I made up for in a bit of enthusiasm.
What did you learn from this?
It's not easy. It's not easy cleaning the house, but I make it look easy.
All right, that was quite the battle. I haven't looked at Ryan's footage yet. I did go down and check on him several times because I was running the camera down there, but everybody watching has to vote. This is big. This is for pride in our family. Who is the winner of this battle? All right, so that is going to be it. I will see you guys soon with a new video. I believe I have a bonus video going up on Sunday, so look out for that, and I will see you then. Bye.
Look at all these trucks over there.
Can you help Mommy clean them up?
I don't like the pink trucks. Okay, I like the brown trucks. Look at this crazy car. Look.
Is that how you clean up?
Nah.
Yay! Oh, why?
Because it's too heavy.
That one's too heavy?
Yes, too heavy. I'm the winner. Vote for me.